Hello guys, and good afternoon, and this is Malikarjun, and today I would like to say about something about applications. And there are a lot of kinds of applications, and mainly there are three kinds of applications. And I would like to show you how what are the applications there. First, I would like to open the Notepad, and this is a Notepad, and so first, there are a lot of applications, and there are three kinds of applications are there. And first one is console applications, and the second one is Windows applications. So Windows applications, and last but not least, and these is the web applications. So there are a lot of programming languages are there, and a scripting language is there, and to develop these applications. And so mainly focus on the console applications, and this is mainly concentrated on academic years, like in the first year we learn to the computer science, learn C++ languages, and we will do those programs in the console mode only. So and the command, we open the command prompt, and we run the applications through the uh, console prompt. So that is all about the console applications. And we have seen so many languages like C++, as well as Java languages, and we have used console applications too. And coming to the next one, Windows applications. So Windows applications is nothing but a Notepad. One is a Windows applications, and Paint, that is on a Windows applications. And so there are a lot of window applications are there, and calculator. So the main example, that's a calculator, and we can easily develop a calculator by using any programming language, and like Java and C#. And coming to the third one, web applications. If you want to develop any web applications, we must go through about, first we have to learn uh, the HTML, and which is nothing but hypertext markup language. And this is a markup language we use to display the content on the browser. So in the client side, it has to responsibility to show the content on the browser. And the second one is, if you want to apply the styles to our HTML page, we must concentrate on the CSS, nothing but cascading style sheets. And there are there are three kinds of cascading styles are there, and inline and vinyl is nothing but the styles which can apply in the tag itself only. And
some chapter
and coming to the second one, and that is embedded styles. It's that nothing but we have to write whole the styles in the head tag, in the head box. And coming to the external, which is nothing but we have to write the .css sections, and we can place all our styles into that page, and we have to import that page to our required HTML pages. So we can easily import the CSS files, like by using the link tag. And so that is all about CSS. And coming to the next is, we have to validate some web pages in the client side. So we must concentrate on JavaScript, right? So JavaScript is nothing but it is a scripting language. And so many persons and interviews, we can ask what is the difference between the Java and JavaScript. So there is no doubt at all, there is a completely different each other. And Java is a programming language, whereas JavaScript is a scripting language. So we use the JavaScript in the browser itself, and which can be run on the client system only, and which can be used to get the dynamic data, as well as we can provide any validations. And that is all about JavaScript. And coming to the next one is, we can consider on the Java Beans. Java Beans is nothing but it is an reusable component which can be useful, and we can write once and use many times. So that is nothing but Aura concept, and Java is mainly used for that Java beans. And for example, button is one component that we can easily reusable can anywhere, and so we write the code in once only, and we can use many times. So that is all about Java beans, and that is all about Java beans, and we can, and after that we can go through with Servlets. So Servlet is nothing but is a small Java program which can be run on the server systems, and the server is responsible to take care about the um, it has to be, it has to give the response to the client. So the client is nothing but it is getting the response from the servers, and which can be ask the request to the servers. And so client is nothing but our system, and server is nothing but a lot of servers are there. One example is Gmail server and Google server. Those there the lot of servers are there, and so server is nothing but it is take care about the it has to be it has to be give the service to the client. So that is all about servlet. uh, Servlets. And so after that we are go through the JSP, Java server pages, and which is nothing but it is not. And in servlets we have to place the HTML content in the Java programming, so it is very difficult to execute. We have to write always out.println like, so it is very tough to, if our program has many tags, like if our web page is very too large, then it has to be very large, then it is very difficult to execute all the programs, and we have to write the all println state inside the println statement. So that is removed in the JSP. So JSP is another technology, and which can be we write the Java code inside the HTML page, so that is very useful. And the one of the disadvantages in servlets is when we when for example login form is there, and if you enter in the username and password, and it must be come across the address bar, so it is one of the disadvantages which is in the servlet. So that is has been removed in the JSP. So that is all about JSPs, and we go through next. We are going through JDBC and JDBC and ODBC. So this is one of the technology which is introduced in the Java programming language, which has and the full form of the JDBC is Java Database Connectivity, and which is used to our connect to our applications to the database. So that is JDBC, and we can connect to any databases like in our MyAccess and MS Access, like, and MySQL, SQL, as well as MySQL Server and PHP. Sorry. So like we can connect with any database, and if you want to connect any database, we have to we have need some driver. So driver is nothing but it is it is like a bridge to our application to the database. So there are the mainly there are the four drivers are there, and so the in that, and each driver has each responsibility to connect to database. And so ODBC is nothing but open database connectivity, which is primarily that driver. And so this is all about JDBC. So we have to must concentrate on all these things, and HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Java beans and servlets and JSPs and JDBC and ODBC, and we can easily develop any web applications like. And so this is all about the web applications, and after that we can go through easily with so in the JavaScript, and it is converted as and jQuery. So jQuery, in a jQuery, it is nothing but it is a framework. It is a framework of JavaScript. So in the JavaScript, we have must concentrate on the how to write, and so in a jQuery, we have to concentrate on how to use. So how to use. So this is all about, and this is a Java user interface. So this is very easy to set our component, and after that jQuery mobile. So it is when we creating the when we are creating any web applications or mobile applications, it must be a responsible. A response is nothing but it has to change with browser size. So that is we can use mobiles and jQuery mobile and jQuery mobiles, and we can use database like and we have another technologies there like PHP, and which is server scripting, server side. Primarily it is called personal home page, and after that it is calling as a hypertext preprocessor. Hypertext preprocessor. Hypertext preprocessor. So this is all about the PHP, and so it has to be responsible. And PHP is, I think, it is an open source language and which can be connected with any database and open source database. It is mainly used MySQL very much, and so PHP MyAdmin is a very used in PHP. So thank you friends. Thanks for watching, and this is Mallikarjun shining off. Keep smiling. Bye bye. And if you want contact me, and please contact through this mobile, and this is and my 909 at the rate of the live.com, and we have Mallikarjuna.909 at the rate of gmail.com. So thank you friends, thank you.